What up, everybody? Ryan, Soaps and Hose. It is Monday, January 13th, and we are doing a house in Guyton, Georgia again. Check this out though. This is going to turn out nice. Said the gate was open. Look at that. Ooh, that's gonna make a good time-lapse video there. But we are doing a house wash, and we're gonna do the patio back here, concrete patio. Not too bad back here. Got a little bit of algae up under the patio, some cobwebs, stuff like that. That fan's gonna be, I don't know about that one. It's pretty rough. I'm gonna try and get around it. I don't like spraying fans outdoors for obvious reasons, electrical hazards. We're gonna do this side here. I'm gonna hit this shed as well. That'll turn out really nice. This is pretty cool. I'd be back here fishing all the time. Pretty nice. We're not doing the fence. What I am gonna do though, I'll show you in one of the videos, is I'm actually going to do the front side of the fence that faces the road on both sides of the house, and I'm gonna restore that wood. That way they can kind of see what it would look like if this fence was done correctly. I'm gonna use sodium metasilicate, and then I'm going to neutralize it with oxalic acid, which also brightens the wood. But all right, so I'm gonna get set up. I'll probably start on this side of the house right here. It's gonna have to sit a minute. It's pretty dirty, but we'll see in a few. Alright y'all, so just got done with the house. I'm gonna do this front part of the house facing the road. I'm gonna restore this wood right here. What I'm gonna use is sodium metasilicate. I'm gonna spray it on with a pump sprayer. I'm gonna let it sit for 10-15 minutes, and then I'm going to scrub it with a like a hard bristle brush. But yeah, the results are gonna be amazing. Alright, so just put on the sodium metasilicate and clean the fence. As you can tell, it's pretty clean now. But this oxalic acid is going to brighten this wood up pretty much instantly. You'll actually be able to see it changing color. But it brightens the wood and it neutralizes the pH in it, so it actually restores the wood rather than just cleans it. But I'll put you on time lapse so you can see it in real time. What's going on, everybody? Finally done with this job in Guyton. It's 3:03. I was here 3 hours, but I stayed and did a bunch of extra actually that you know, I didn't plan on doing completely, but what I did was each side of the house, small section of fence, I went ahead and restored it for them. It's gonna make the house look good. It took me a little bit longer, but you know, it's the lasting impression you leave on a customer. A little bit extra I want to do for everybody. So, but here's the front of the house. Turned out really well. Here's the corners of the garage. Stained a little bit, it looks like, from dirt daubers, but that's gonna happen. This was a side of the house that was really bad, but as you can see, I went ahead and restored this as well. This part, I only did the front facing the road, just a little more curb appeal. As you can see, this is what the fence did look like. But yeah, this side cleaned up super nice. It was totally green all the way around it. Get rid of this all property protection here. There we go. This came out like new. Very impressed. Back turned out awesome as well. I didn't get too close to that fan. As you can see, it's kind of an older fan, and I did not want to get water in the electrical components and cause a fire, because that's not what we want to do. This was really bad with cobwebs and spider eggs. Got all that cleaned up really nice. But yeah, the bottom of the concrete was pretty bad. I hit it with a turbo nozzle and got rid of it. Soffits had a bunch of dirt in there. It's still kind of leaking dirt, you can see that. But this side wasn't too bad, but it cleaned up very nicely, as you can see. And this shed was pretty rough. You had to coat this shed a couple times in order to kill all that algae. It was pretty thick on there. Had some lichen, but I got back there as well. But yeah, it's super cold out. It is 46 degrees. So it took my chemicals a little bit longer to work than we like. But anyways, that's the after action report. Turned out really well. I think she's gonna be very impressed. So yeah, hopefully that turns into more business. All right, well, y'all have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video.